Hey everybody, so today is just a couple of life updates and some upcoming plans, which is Faith Mariah's Best Summer Ever bundle. So I'm thinking about entering a beginner workshop to the bundle. It's due in 15 days, which is, I'm sure, is plenty of time for me to get that done, but I do have other responsibilities, you know. But yeah, and fishing, by the way. Yeah, so we've been going out boating and fishing a lot lately because the weather's been nice and the water's been high enough to get the boat out. And yeah, so we've been catching, let's see, is it big mouth or smallmouth? I think it's smallmouth bass. That's normally what we catch. And yeah, it's just fun times. So today we're going to have all you can eat fish and chips with corn. So that'll be fun. And any leftovers will become fish tacos, which I love. We put mango salsa on there. Ah, so good. That's one of my favorite dishes, actually. So yeah, been going out boating. Direct sun. Yeah, so I do have a couple of patches with sunburn on it. I don't think my skin realizes I am half Filipino. I'm basically see-through. But yeah, dealing with that. So yeah, I have a couple of sunburn spots, very small, because I've learned my lesson. And we actually try not to wear suntan lotion or sprays. So I have, you know what surfers wear? Rash guards that are 50 SPF. Yeah, so I wear that. So that helps a lot in the hat. And some knee-high shorts or whatever that are also 50 SPF. Because sometimes I like to get in the water and I don't really want to wear a bikini in the water. So yeah, I go in with the full long sleeve and shorts, but meant for the water, for surfing. So yeah. Right now, though, with the runoff and everything, the water's pretty murky. I just don't want to deal with it. I don't want to get in the water. But it's so refreshing. It is so cold, but so refreshing at the same time. It's so nice. I just love it. So I actually have footage that I'll share a link to kind of show, from the boat. So that'll be fun. The other thing I did yesterday, I went out and wanted to get footage of our baby chickens because yesterday was their first day out free ranging. So I went out there and I started videoing, and then the mosquitoes started attacking. So that was kind of chaotic, whatever. So the footage is terrible, but whatever. It's life. Yeah, so you kind of get to see like the chickens that we have. And yeah, so that was fun. I'll still share the footage even though it's shaky, but fair warning, it is shaky footage. So yeah, so keep an eye out for the bundles that are coming up. I'll keep you posted, of course. So I'm going to release a beginner workshop that is more focused on learning watercolor. Yeah, like an actual step-by-step thing. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I'll keep you posted. That's pretty much it, really. That's all I have for today. Something short and quick. Yeah, so talk to you guys later. All right, bye.